Hi, everybody. This is Jen from Parents Reaching Out. I am the Communication and Outreach Manager here, and I have my awesome coworker, Adam Shand.
Hi everyone, I am the Outreach and Youth Creator for Parents Reaching Out, and we're gonna explain an upcoming awesome event called Forward at 14.
What is Forward at 14, Adam?
So Forward at 14 is a series of workshops geared towards young people, their parents, and other community members based around disability awareness and self-advocacy, disability, disability rights, and how to use them, and how to run your own IEP and ISP, and also learn about options after high school and healthcare transition and social opportunities and the importance of fun. So we will be coming to you from our houses. We will. We hope you'll be joining us, and there there will be starting in January 9th from 10 a.m. to 2:30. And then the second part of the online series will be January 23rd from 10 a.m. to 2:30 as well. And then the last part of the series will be January 30th from 10 a.m. to 2:30 as well. And they will all be Saturdays. So we would really love to have you all join us. Uh, we're, you'll find the link on, on our website. Um, I'm gonna go register right now. So why don't you go through that with me and join Jen and I and our colleagues that those weekends to have some great fun and some great learning experience. Hope to see you there.
Yes, thank you. I'm definitely looking forward to it, Adam. Those topics all sound amazing. I think we're going to have lots of fun. Adam and I have definitely tried to make this interactive. And so it's definitely a three-part series, which we encourage you to come for all three. But if for some reason you can't, we definitely welcome you to the sessions you can attend. And we will also drop the link to register in the comments below, so you can check it out there too. But we hope to see you in January. And until then, we hope you have a wonderful holiday season.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And like you mentioned, we are gonna drop it in the comments below. So, like I said, what are you waiting for? Go click on it. Go register. I'm gonna go right now. Come on. Let me see. Let me see you there. And I hope to see you there. And we'll have some great Saturdays with you all. Thank you, New Mexico. And once again, have a great holiday season and a happy new year.
See you guys. Hope to see you in January.